So next up, guys, got a John Deere combine here coming up for auction. It's a John Deere 7720 turbo. I'll go ahead, I'll have the consignor fire it up and we'll get you a nice demo of her. Starts right up there, guys. The bean head is selling separate. See, obviously you got the bean head on the front. We just did a demo of that, but I'm just gonna have him go ahead. He'll run the combine back and forth here. Rubber still looks to be in good shape. It's got a chopper on the rear, guys. I think it's like 180 to 200 bushels what the hopper holds. I'll have all those specs for you there in the listing. Show you the tires turning there. Hydrostatic drive on the combine. It's got a cab, heat and air. I'll have him go ahead. He'll swing the auger out here for you, show that work. Auger swings right out there. Back. Auger's running there. Here. Auger runs good. And then real quick for the video, just turn it on so you can see everything moving. They haven't used this combine for a few years here, but definitely one. Still got good life ahead of her yet. So there's the demo, guys, on the John Deere 7720 turbo combine. Starts right up, goes forward and reverse. Everything looks free on it. Seems to be in pretty nice shape. So there's the demo, guys. Good luck with auction time in Old 20 Auctions.